Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hello, acoustic letter folks. Tony here. Today, we're going to look at a Gibson Custom AJ, a very special Gibson Custom AJ. But before we do so, I want you to sign up for the acoustic letter. Please click the link below, and you will thank me later. You may even thank me immediately. And if you don't thank me, I'll know that you meant it, because it is one of the coolest things that we do here at Music Villa. On to the Gibson Custom Advanced Jumbo. The Advanced Jumbo is one of my personal favorite guitars. Sitka spruce top, rosewood back and sides. It's a recipe for success. And 25.5-inch scale length. It's got the nice long scale, great sound. But what we did is we took that recipe and we totally flipped it upside down, stood it on its head, shook it out, and made this cool Custom Advanced Jumbo, which is very different. This particular custom Gibson Advanced Jumbo has a Sitka spruce top, but it has mahogany back and sides. It does a ton for the tone. It gives it a nice fat single note sound. It warms it up considerably. Also, we kept the 25.5-inch scale length. So what this is essentially like is a J45 with a longer scale length. It plays great. It plays smooth. It's a wonderful guitar. A couple of other things that we did on this particular guitar. We upgraded the bridge pins to bone pins. We did a custom compensated saddle on this vintage style bridge. We have a fire stripe pickguard, an all naturally finished body, which is actually quite rare for solid mahogany back and side models. We have a white bound fingerboard, split diamond inlay in typical Advanced Jumbo fashion. That classy Advanced Jumbo headstock. And also vintage style open gear tuners, and as you can see right here on the back, that Gibson Custom Shop logo that says, hey, Gibson made this for us, we designed it, and we think it's way cool. So let's give this instrument a play so you guys can hear what this Gibson Custom Advanced Jumbo with solid mahogany back and sides sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.